What?
How many pairs of glasses do you own?
Just two. One because I destroyed my first glasses. Then I buy this one because my first glasses. Do you remember? Did I join your live stream the first time? I put my glass into a microwave and heated it. Then hit my glass leg broken, so I bought another one. But after a month, I will change my near sight. I will do a surgery, so I will never need glasses. Now I have one.
In English, correct me if I'm wrong, I think you want to say you will have laser eye surgery. Am I right?
Laser eye. Yeah. The method of the surgery is using laser to cut my this place to make my I don't know how to say.
I think it's called a pupil in English. What is pupil of an eye? The round opening in the center of the iris, the color tissue that makes the eye color at the front of the eye. The pupil changes size to let light into the eye. It gets smaller in bright light and larger as the amount of light decreases. Like, comment, and subscribe. Click that bell notification. Follow me on HelloTalk. Follow me on Instagram. Subscribe. Am I finished?